So for our 90-90 hinge, we're calling it a 90-90 because that back knee's set up at 90 degrees and that front knee's set up at 90 degrees. That's the most important part here, is that start position. From there, we're gonna rotate our hips and square them off towards the front. You wanna think about this front thigh bone being pulled back into the hip as we rotate that back hip forward. That's gonna be our home base. If you can't set up into this position and maintain that, you're just gonna elevate your back hip or your front leg here, the bum cheek a little bit. So you'll sit onto a cushion, a nav mat, a pillow, something to just lift that up slightly. From that position, we're now gonna hinge forward into our 90-90. So I'm imagining there's a nice long string pulling through the crown of my head to reach forward without rounding. You're gonna be able to get deeper if you round, but you're robbing yourself of the stretch we're looking for. So square to the front, length through the spine, hinge, and then I'm gonna push down using my glute. I'm gonna push the shin into the floor to bring me back up. Your hands can help here, but they're not doing the work. They're not holding you up. And then to advance that even more, we'd go without the hands, hinge and push, hinge and push. To see that from the other side, again, I'm square, I'm lengthened, and then without losing my low back position, I hinge and I push to bring myself back up. I hinge and I push to bring myself back up. As much help is needed from the hands, as little as possible. Searching for that stretch, that loaded stretch through the outside of the hip and the glute.